Hey, what's up? It's your boy Crown Prince back with another video, and it's been a while since my last videos. It's probably been like what, 6 to 8 months or a year since I last posted, and I've been getting messages in my DMs and even comments. I've seen a few comments that came on the old videos as to, hey, when are you gonna post again? When are you posting the next video? And you know what, over time, like, a lot has happened. Like last year I was so busy, I was really busy. Recently did a 6-month deployment as well out the UK, so it's been a lot of in and out, and sometimes because of work and other stuff, of other stresses of life, you get demotivated to even post a video, because mental health matters. Mental health is more important to me than just hopping on YouTube posting videos, because if I'm not good, I cannot really be in front of a phone and or whatever and just record videos. I have to make sure that I'm okay. So yeah, just a lot has happened, and I just wanted to like reset, take a step back from posting and just get myself at a better place. So yeah, I've seen the messages. I've even met people while deployed who I've never known, who I don't know, but will come up to me and be like, I know you, when are you gonna post? You stop posted. So I was like, I can't escape the comments, I can't escape meeting people in person. Even in my regiment, I met like people who I never told people which regiment I'm in, but people just meet me and recognize me. So I've been getting, when am I gonna post videos in person and in the comments on Instagram as well. So yeah, this is just an update video to just let you know that yes, seen the messages and I'm good. It's just me, I just needed that reset, because last year I was busy into this year as I was out for a bit doing lots of work and all that. But yeah, I'll be going back into the videos soon, and hitting topics that you guys want me to talk about again. So if you have more things that you need content on, just comment on the videos, send me messages, and I'll do videos on those. But yeah, just know that I'm good. I'm gonna try my best to get back into the posting, get back into topics that you guys want me to talk about, and yeah, start posting again. So yeah, no, I'm not done with posting on YouTube. I think for me, my motivation is the people who have actually helped, the 1 or 2 or the 10 or the 20 folks who like message me like, you helped me through phase 1, you helped me understand this more. And that's my main thing. It's not about money to me, like doing videos for fame and all that, but I knew that I wanted help when I was back in the Caribbean in terms of knowing how the army is and all that. And so that's what I'm doing now, being that little bit of insight that can just give someone like just a heads up as to what to expect and how to get themselves, how to be better prepared for the army in a sense. So yeah, expecting this year to be much better than last year. Hopefully I'm not as busy, so I can get that motivation more to do something other than work, i.e. posting, or having the time to just have a sit down and talk to you, or do some live interactions as well, because I miss those. I miss like just talking to you live. So that's another thing I'm looking into doing again. So yes, I'll be posting another video soon just to give updates on my career and what has happened over the past year or months. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, see you on the next video, which is going to be soon, promise.
Yeah.